All right. Looks like we're good. Let's see. All right, we are definitely good. So, we're continuing making the FFMpeg. Hi. We're continuing making the FFmpeg library. Let's see. I'm just gonna. And this may be more interesting. Well, I'm just gonna plop in here. Screen sharing. Sure. Alright, so my goal for this part is I need to make a custom event. Hey! What's up?
Hello.
Hello. So yeah, I'm just making the custom event for the thing here. And now, I have to remember how to make events in C#. I believe it's delegates, but...
I'm dying. Sorry, I'm listening to the stream and it's confusing the piss out of me.
I would not recommend that.
Okay, there we go. That sounds pretty fucking spot on to the call itself.
Does it? Oh, good.
Yeah. Oh, fuck me, I've hit the wrong button.
What are you doing?
I've accidentally clicked a button and went to a different video.
Oh, I see. I think this should be it. Feels a little light, but I guess. Event args, event handler. Okay, I'm gonna go here, going to new folder.
I'm confused what the little React emoji thing is supposed to do. They added something new.
What they add? To what?
Discord. They have a little React emoji thing, but it doesn't seem to do anything.
Oh. Interesting.
New feature that's not fully implemented, I guess?
Yeah, I feel like we get a lot of those, for some reason. Like, I just got a notification that we can now use Discord bot store.
Oh yeah, the app store they're
The
calling
App
it,
Store, right? That's what it's called. Yeah,
because each
but
bot can
it's
be their own little thing.
that's pretty cool though. So they make it a lot easier to create and like distribute your bots.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is gonna be the FF process update event. Sure. Get rid of that. This will be a public event. And this will extend event handler T. Nope, I'm gonna have to create another one. This will be public class FF process update event args, and this will extend event args. Not derived from a sealed type. Oh my god, it's sealed because it's not in its own file. For fuck's sake, okay.
Okay, am I gonna get a trick?
Ooh. So let me just cut that. Let's say add new FF process update. FF processed update event args, which will be not derived from a sealed type. But it doesn't. Right, need a class that extends event args. Sure. Do I not also need a class that extends event handler? Apparently not. Okay. This will have just a few properties, I guess. Prop FF. We'll just cool. Get rid of you. Event. Prop int percentage prop int and actually this should be a U short. U short, which I believe the max would be 256. I was way off with that one. It's byte.max 255. Yep. And then there's s byte, which I don't really care about. Okay, so byte, because percentage should never go over that. Int property frames processed and again that should never be a negative number, so make it unsigned.
Every bit. Yeah.
Yeah. And then, let's see. Make that a single or a 32-bit floating number. And this will be the speed. And then this will be the average bit rate. If I remember correctly, if I go, where'd everything go? Downloads. Weird, this has been kind of rearranged. If I do this, and we do FFMpeg, any file, and then test.mkv. Yes. It gives us this info. Okay. L size I don't really care about. I'm already getting that in a different way. The quality value I'll put, I guess. The FPS and speed, that seems kind of redundant, but I guess I can put both. And the bitrate there.
The speed is instead of like playing speed, so 24 or 23 point something frames a second, it's going through whatever, how many frames per second.
Yeah, but then it has frames per second here.
Oh,
so
true.
It's a wee bit redundant. Oh, to be fair,
it's nice to have it calculated out for speed.
Yeah, it is. But if the video was running at 120 FPS and you're only doing 137 FPS, then that's only like 1 point whatever.
Yeah.
But if it's 24 FPS, then 137 FPS. Yeah, it can mean something completely different, and you don't want to have the user have to do math. So yeah, it's nice having both. It's just both you can get the same answer with. I'm gonna include both, but this one I'm gonna have to parse and convert because I'm fairly certain. Well, I say that.
It's only at kilobits a second, I think.
Is it always?
I think so.
Okay.
You can try making a custom FFmpeg with a really high bit rate and see if it switches to megabit.
Oh yeah, fair enough. Because this is already technically over that megabit line, so I'm wondering like when it switches. What I'm gonna do, B:\V.
It might not.
20
actually.
M.
I think it will stay kilobit.
That'd be insane. So I'm making this 20 megabits. Oh my god, I need to add the -y. Yeah, it does.
Wait, it's not doing 20.
It's not doing 20. It will get there. It'll get there. And it did at the end. It got there. 24.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Okay, so it's always... let me try something ridiculously low. So, like... Oh, right, the lowest you can go, I think, is kilobits. Right? So if I do this, this should be 200 kilobits.
You'll have to do it like a decimal to get lower.
Which I don't think they support. Apparently, I mean, it hasn't thrown an error, but it also hasn't actually...
Yeah, it's very confused about what you've just put.
Yeah, which I can understand. Let me just get rid of that. Okay, cool. So it's always going to be kilobits. In that case, that's fine. Okay. I'm still a little bit confused on exactly how events work, but I think I have a rough understanding. So you have your event arguments, which are what get passed through every time your event triggers.
For sure. Yeah.
And I'm assuming when you invoke the event, which I'll be doing inside of... I'm going to close a bunch of this shit. What I'd be doing inside of here... I'm going to set a here before we start, I'm gonna do timer from system timers. Timer equals new timer. And I don't know why, this kind of annoys me. C# has global using statements now, as of the newest version. But they decide to manually add a few using statements, one of which is the system.threading, right? Which has a timer function, but the timer function, ironically, is not thread safe. Meaning, I can't easily access variables outside of the timer.
Oh, right.
So what I have to do is I have to say using timer equals system.timers.timer, which is really annoying because they by default are using system.threading, which has the timer in it. Anywho, so let's make this run every second, I guess. Whoops. Stop that. Okay. And auto reset equals true. My God. Enabled equals true, meaning it'll actually run the elapsed process. After process, we will do timer.start, and we'll do. I'm gonna throw this right here. That works. And we'll do timer.elapsed plus equals se.
Jesus.
Okay, so I'm gonna have public event
Why? Don't. Oh my God. She's trying to eat my desk now. Jesus.
Maybe I can do in here private event handler FF Yeah.
Mhm.
Update event. Right, and this is a static class. And then can I do update event invoke sure. And then we'll do new, and then this is where we would implement shit. Okay. And then this will always be run.
Why do you have 2 error data receives?
Because in this one, I'm gonna actually be handling the update event. So, and maybe I won't do a timer. Should have rid of that and that, and I'll have to set default values. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do this. That works. And get rid of the timer. Just adds a lot of overhead.
Are you grabbing duplicate frames as well?
I am not, but I should. I keep forgetting that's a thing. Okay.
Like I said, I'm not 100% sure if that is removed or added with the current frame counter.
Now I'm trying to think.
Because you're using the current frame counter for your percentage, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
The current frame counter and what I know to be the max frames.
Yeah. You might want to find a way to test that. I'm not quite sure how you test that.
Yeah.
Stop eating me, you hoe. Why? Why are you so angry? Oh, she's so aggressive. Oh my god.
Media info. There we go. Speed equals speed. Oops. And percentage equals percentage. Cool. Okay. And I'm actually going to go back to this, and I'm going to remove that because it doesn't make sense. And I'll say if string string content equals e.data, and if now I have to remember how this actually outputs. let me go for one. Let's make this nullable. And equal null. And I'll do that for all of these, actually. If info does not equal null, then do something. Actually, do all things. That's better. All right. And that will stop throwing errors. And convert. Okay, cool. So I'll say no. Cool, and actually here I want to do just so I know the beginning of every line. Interesting. So Nick,
Ayo.
this is an error. This is not. I don't understand FFMpeg. I don't.
Yeah, I don't. They do some really weird stuff.
Yeah. Wait. But I'm still outputting this. The normal output. Why am I never getting anything? It ends right here. Is there any way to format this as JSON? That'd be interesting. FFMpeg format output as JSON.
Yeah, that's the dude I found.
Yeah, you can do it with FF Pro. Okay. Yeah, because literally all I want is this right here. That seems to be the only part that they're not actually giving.
Frames FPS, blah blah blah. Kilos per seconds at the bottom. I see that.
This is where it ends. Right here. Technically right here. This doesn't have the encoder. Oh, I just reorganized it.
No idea. You're gonna have to go through their nonsense. Someone has to fucking make a speech on empowerment, and they don't understand what the word means. So I'm trying to describe. Yeah.
Okay, what if I kill the process? Well, null reference exception object is not set to an instance.
Holy wow, I'm illiterate. I never liked the term African Americans.
No?
To me, that sounds racist. Like, you're only defining them because of their color in a specific region.
Sure.
It's like, you're black, you must be African. It's like, what? No.
Man, I'm from Detroit.
That's what I'm talking about. Doesn't that seem... I don't...
Yeah.
Take out the American part. What do you got? An African. So they're defining everyone as the region that they're from instead of by color. Sure, I guess that's better. Somewhat.
I don't know. I've met many black people that prefer to be called just black.
Yeah, same.
If anything.
I will never forget the day. I never spoke to this man before. I was in school. I was like, hey, Vince, use your black man powers and touch the ceiling. And he fucking did it. He jumped up so goddamn high and touched the ceiling. It's like, oh my god. I love it.
I feel like I'm missing something.
What's that?
Trying to figure out how to still run the event.
Feel like somebody's watching me. No?
Because they don't seem to be...
Okay. Handler. What's that?
They don't seem to be instantiating this at all. It's just kind of created, like the variables created.
And then down below.
And then down below they're
Oh, that's just on process complete, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, this is a function they created, but yeah, you can just run this. And I...
You not need to?
I'm just running the invoke. But when it ran it, it's like, hey. Oh, no, I know why. I think I forgot the question mark here. Let me try it this way. So this is running. Sure. As soon as I kill the process, it should throw an error.
Okay.
Cool, threw an error. And it printed out. I don't know why I printed this. Something I also should do is go to here and say...
Back Y, maybe. Yeah.
Hey! There it goes.
Hey,
Wait,
and
why?
you're getting the stuff you want.
Why? Why did...
Oh, because it only sends it if it's actually doing it, obviously.
Yeah, oh my god, it was stuck on the Y.
It was stuck
overwrite.
on Y, yeah.
Right. For fuck's sake. And of course it wouldn't say it because it's some bullshit. Oh my god, Anywho. Now, the only thing I can see that's pretty similar is the equal sign. So, I'm going to go through, split by the equal sign, take the before and after, and parse by that. Yup, that's happening. And I was wrong. This isn't... Well, I may not have been wrong. This may have... Let me just grab this. And... Because I am outputting technically the normal output and the error. So I don't know which one's which. So let me do this. Cool, what's not? Wait. So in that case, this would be normal output, I guess.
Someone send me fucking messages. We got you food. Oh, so sweet.
God, I could eat. What time's dinner? I'll be over in like 2 hours. Nah, it doesn't take me that long to get to your house.
Be hilarious. It's like, hey Ma, Drew's coming over. He's just gonna eat some food and fucking leave.
just raid your fridge. Yeah. That sounds like something I would do.
You could come over. We could have a fucking fire, just cause, you know.
Yeah, burn the neighborhood down or the forest.
I've almost done that twice.
Okay. I'm really kind of getting irritated that this doesn't. Yeah. It's all because of you. And of course, if I comment this out, it's just gonna dump everything into the console, which I'm not a fan of. Watch me be a liar.
I'm going to eat you.
Oh my god, it's not needed.
What's not needed? What are you not needing?
This, which detaches it from the process. Basically, so what it used to do is it would dump everything into this window.
Yeah.
But now it doesn't. And if I go and select this window and do Control-C, it actually kills the process that it's a part of, which makes me happy. I feel like this prevents it from dumping in the window. I didn't think it did at first, but of course it should. I mean, it's redirecting it. Oh, good. That makes me happier. Meaning if the host process dies, it'll kill the FFmpeg process, which is a sub-process of it. Now the problem is, that's never being run. It's really confusing what's what, you know? Seemingly now nothing is being outputted, which is awesome. My favorite thing. Let me make this null. Just because. Cool, it's just outputting absolutely nothing, and I love it. Oh my god, I'm retarded.
You had a breakpoint?
Nope. I was saying, if the string is null, output the string. If the string is not null... Oh my god. Yeah. There it goes.
Information. Got it.
God, I'm stupid. Anywho. I don't know if it's always going to start with frame. I'm trying to find a good way to determine if this is the line I'm looking for. It looks like... Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say if it starts with frame equals, or it contains the line contains at least 2 equal signs.
So
I'm looking
boy,
through
that's
here.
not very.
Oh, I know. For one, I'm looking through all of these. I'm not seeing any equal signs, right? Which doesn't mean that there won't be ever, but it's not appearing.
Just copy and paste that to me, and I can just write. I can check it was regular expression.
That's true. I mean, I can look through here and just see that there are no equal signs. I'm gonna test this, see if it gets any false positives. Because I also know, I'm fairly certain there's not always going to be the same number of rows here, depending on what you're doing. That's why I just want to check if there's at least 2 equal signs. So let me do.
I'm a little upset that JavaScript is moving towards the new regular expression. Before, you could just write everything within quotes.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have to do forward slashes to define regular expression start and then end and then a G for global if I want or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dot
I really got used to the other way.
It's greater than 2. That works.
Starts with this and contains at least 2 equals.
Yeah. Technically, this is saying it contains at least 3, but whatever. String array.
Oh, does it not? Does not count these starts with as the beginning?
No. Hold on. Because I'm saying if the length is greater than 2, meaning it's at least 3.
Oh, sure.
And this would be parts equals, sure. And then I can say parts, and if I wanted to make it, I could just do that. And then I can do a for int I parts dot length. And then, why did I do let? Oh, Jesus. I don't program in JavaScript that often, but for some reason. String name equals parts I. Switch name. Default. Continue. Otherwise, I want to do case frame. And then I'll say.
Look at it. Sorry, everything's fine.
String p equals parts I plus 1. Oh, right. And then I'll say frames processed equals convert to UN32p. Right, and I also need to do trim.
If it starts with frame, then grab frame and then right, I see.
Okay, I just wanted to double check that this removes all white space characters. I didn't know if it just removed...
is frame? Oh, right, because you're separating by equals. does case ignore? Is case like a contains text, or is it equals?
What?
Because you've case frame right there,
Case.
and
Yeah.
you're splitting by equals.
Mm-hmm.
That works because you're getting the first thing that just so happens to be frame. If you want to get any other information after, there's going to be like spaces, numbers.
That gets rid of all spaces, like before and after.
You can go to the output of FFMpeg. Oh, you don't have that. Yeah, okay.
So what I'm doing is I'm saying, hey, for through all of these parts right here. Oh. Right,
Yeah.
the next one's gonna be this.
Yeah. What you can do is grab everything up until a letter. So everything after equals up until a letter. So everything before. Oh, shit. Everything before a space and a letter. That will work. If it's space letter, then it means it's a new variable. That works. So it's like space FPS.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine. Or space T time.
Hold on, I'm just gonna do some playing right now. Let me get into here.
Oh, I just slapped in regular expression right there in my head.
I refuse to ever use regular expression, so fuck it.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do
I don't know how you would do it in code, but that's how I do it with,
is I'm gonna find every double space, replace it with
I
space.
thought you were... Sure.
It's not what I meant to do. Every double space I'm replaced with nothing. Just nothing.
Yeah.
And then I have this. Is that because I fucked up the first time?
Size is also messed up because there's multiple spaces. And it could be different every single time.
It could be, you're right. It's based on the console width.
So I do have a regular expression in my head to do it. Would you like to convert it to whatever? Or just use regular expression?
I'm gonna send you it. If you can regex that shit, that'd be dope.
Oh yeah, I've already got one in my head. It's all good.
I just loathe regular expression.
Find beginning this beginning equals.
Because what I was gonna end up doing is taking the parts and then splitting it by another space. Yeah, that would have been.
Oh, sorry,
messy.
I'm in regular expression mode. Whoops. I was like, why is this not working?
React with emojis. Thumbs up.
Yeah, that. I don't know what that's about.
I have absolutely no idea. I think that actually. Oh, it's a Nitro only, I think. That could be.
Mark this equals. Ah, here we go.
Also, share your
and
screen.
equals sign. Oh, sure. Share screen. Better text.
Nice.
It's bigger. So
Now.
immediately this looks hilarious. So
The stream.
Start
on
with-
stream.
start with spacing of equals, and then we do grab everything. That's not supposed to be there. Grab everything up until question mark equals a space. Sorry, I can't have that in there. A space. We're already doing a space, dipshit. A space with any HZ. Why isn't it working? Because that's in the wrong spot. There we go. Equals any. Why is that not working? Okay. Might be equals. Oh, I see. I want not equals. That's what I was doing wrong. Question mark not equals any A through Z. And with a space in between. Anybody with space. Yes.
Backslash space. Or I think that works too, yeah.
Interesting. That doesn't work.
Try backslash space. Does that work? No. Okay.
Try our EZ. I don't know why this is. Hold on. So this is supposed to say if it does not equal any capital A to Z characters.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, because I don't need the equal sign? Well, I'm retarded. And I also need a space equals. Ah, there we go. Perfect. So, if I select all occurrences, copy them, you get everything outside. So the FPS, the frames, the whatever, the size, kilobits per second, the speed. There you go, buddy. Good luck trying to figure that shit out.
Thank you.
Yeah. I keep forgetting you don't need an equals there. Alright. Obviously, and then you can just trim white space out of what you find.
Yeah, that's gonna be hard because I still need like the frame equals part of it. It's the tough part.
Thank you.
Just because it's not always gonna be in that order. It's not always gonna be frame, FPS, Q, size, time, bitrate, so speed.
Oh, okay. So what you could do is, sorry, I want to start with, and then you can say frame equals. Done. If you start with frame equals, then you can say start with bitrate.
That.
Like that.
That works. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me grab. So you just replace that second equal sign with the whatever the word.
Yeah, and the equals. You keep the equals.
Yep.
Just put the word in the center. Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully these aren't expensive. Like.
It shouldn't be. It's a single tiny little line.
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to do this 5 times on the single tiny little line.
Yeah. It's super simple.
Okay. I just don't know how performant regex is. I know it compiles down to C in the end, but okay, so.
Oh, hold on. you want me to do one big regular expression that will separate all of these into their own parts?
I would love that.
Okay, check this shit out. So,
I'm glad you know regex, because I refuse to learn it.
we could say frame equals all this nonsense, or FPS. Here we go. 1/, or and I don't want start before. I want start with frame equals this. Start with FPS equals this. Copy. And we just go down the line. FPS, we can do Q equals. And then when you want to call on this, it will return an array. So you can see the 0th element would be this. And the next one would be this.
Okay. So let me see, because I'm not entirely sure how to use regex in here. Let me...
Size equals.
Let me see if I can do string array, sure, equals content dot split. Now, can I split by regex?
I got the whole thing for you.
I cannot.
It's ridiculous, but it does do what you need it to. So you can say a whatever variable equals, and then match. So if you do content.match or whatever, like JavaScript, I don't know how you do it in that. Yeah, regular expression.match. Ah, perfect. You don't want split, you want match.
Don't I want to make an array out of it?
No, it returns an array. If you split, this won't work for splitting.
Oh, okay. Ismatch just returns a boolean.
Don't do ismatch.
Oh, there is a match.
Just do, yeah. And then try that. Oh, the second thing I sent you should. Or you can try that one first, sure. And just return what that equals. Because I'm curious myself.
Okay, it returns a...
It should return an array of
It
results.
returns an enumerable. So
okay, good.
What I have to do is delete you. I have to say while m dot next match does not equal null. And I'll have to put this in a variable. That's math.
You like how absolutely ridiculous like this one expression is?
And then I'll have to say next equals m dot next match. Actually, do I? Or can I just do... and then say... m equals? I don't think that'll work. Yeah, this one I'm just shooting right out of my asshole, so... I have absolutely no idea how this is gonna work.
Yeah, usually I just do like var t equals this nonsense, and then t 1 or 2 or just anything I want to call on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then I would do...
Interesting, it immediately...
And then, yeah, end dot result. With a replacement pattern. What?
Yeah, that's to replace.
Oh, value. There we go. Yeah, sure. B.
Quite curious to see.
It immediately crashes. Whoops. Or it returns.
Well, you got
FPS.
the first one.
I got the second one.
The second one? Oh, I'm sorry. You got the second one. You need 4 each match print. Because you want to print all of them, don't you? Not.
Yeah, I don't know if I can do a 4 each with this.
I see why not.
Because it's not that kind of thing.
About length?
Yeah, I get the length of them, but then I can't get based on the length. All I can do is next match.
That's really weird.
Yeah. Let me try something.
Yeah, for C and M dot lengths, print out the next match, right?
No, that wouldn't work. You can't do a for each loop through a number. Match.length would just return like 12, for example.
Or for I equal, the just
yeah, but then I can't do like M2 or M0 because it's not an array. Let me try
doesn't return an array. Try match all instead of match. I feel like that will cause issues. Matches. That might be. What is that?
That returns a match collection.
That might be what you want?
Sure. Which returns a match.
I'm not sure if that's what you want, but it might be.
And then P is just a string, I guess?
Yeah, it should be.
Just gonna put a breakpoint right here.
Able to type system string.
Yeah, that's correct.
Match. Yeah. Nice. Matches, not match. Got it. Sorry, again. I'm only thinking in JavaScript, so.
Unable to cast object to text. Nice.
Can you do some object to string or something? Because it is a string. Alright, I'm gonna go eat whatever food. I'll be right back.
Okay, enjoy. Mm-hmm. Oh, true. I could do that. Try that again. There we go. And then we'll say frame. Oh yeah, what was the shit I cared about? Average bit rate. Bit rate. Speed. percentage will equal frames processed. And you're actually going to be a float. And then we're going to take this entire thing, multiply by 100. Oh, right. Forgot. Okay, good, that's closed. Got that bit right here. Right now, like that. Okay. Percentage equals
So happy, true?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. They got me McDicks.
Oh. You know, I've never been a fan of McDonald's.
No?
No. Too cardboardy.
You also have to get it fucking fresh. If it's not, it's just not good.
Yeah. I've only had it a few times. And I mean, I've always eaten it right at the restaurant, but it's always been just awful. Window width. I think I have this working, and then F equals false.
Alright, how did you do? How's it look?
Love it. I fucked. How'd I manage?
It's not rewriting the line.
Why? I should never be creating a new line. Why is it going down? I guess I can do cursor or a console dot cursor top minus. Yeah, I was gonna say, but then that immediately throws an error. And
Don't you need it at the bottom when it actually resets itself?
What I could do, console dot window height,
Oh my god.
which will always put it at the bottom of the screen. And by that I mean it'll always put it at the top of the screen.
Uh-huh.
No, 0 should be the top. When it, let's see how this runs again. Something happened there. Mm-hmm. I don't know why that keeps happening.
What the fuck? Okay.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of working.
I feel like your top minus would work if you put it at the bottom.
Yeah, the problem
like beneath
is
the console right percentage blah blah blah.
the problem is it's never supposed to. This right should not be creating a new line
Yeah,
because it's
I know
not
why
a
it is,
right
but-
line. So if I run this, is it still gonna go down? Yeah, still goes down for some reason. What I can do, I guess, is do a right line and then do this. So I have this, the
Man, don't you have to do that at the bottom?
You know, I may be overcomplicating this. Hold on. Because what I'm actually doing is I'm setting a boolean here for first, and then it runs this, and then it sets
Oh, I see.
first
Oh.
defaults. Let me see if I can just do.
Again, you're gonna set the cursor to -1, aren't you?
No. Because this cursor 0, when it writes the line, goes down.
Oh, I
one,
didn't see you
cursor
move
1.
that. Sorry.
But now it's
I
just
see
writing absolutely nothing. That's what I thought it was going to do. Because it's...
You're doing right line instead of right.
No, because of this. Doing this after this. So this is only on the screen for like a split second.
Oh,
Not
why are
even.
you writing a space?
If I don't, what ends up happening is if this is slightly shorter, this like end bit is just going to be at the end doubled.
So put that at the top. So it clears, then writes the new line. Put it above the... yeah.
Yeah, let's see if that works.
It's still going down for some fucking reason.
Wait.
Console write is not overwriting. What?
That I did not expect.
What? I don't know what's happening anymore.
No, I was trying to clear the console, right?
Yeah.
For one, I need to do this after.
Oh, yeah.
I think I know my issue. So if I get rid of you.
Because it wasn't all the way to the left?
Mm-hmm. It was word wrapping.
Oh, okay, yep. Yep.
That was my bad. Yeah, then now this is working. The bitrate here is still fucked. Okay, let me see what that's all about.
Bitrate and speed of times 8? Goddamn.
Yeah, that's pretty normal. For me, at least, running on GPU.
Yeah, I usually do like 6 point something.
At least I know that this part's working, so it's outputting the correct variables for the most part. What I was wondering, I think I messed up, this part right here. I think that's getting fucked. So if I go here.
Oh, your convert thing? Oh.
Because I was doing replace this with nothingness.
Yeah, your bitrate and speed is coming out to nothing.
My speed still works.
Oh, sorry. Something else was broken, not speed. Something else you had.
No, they're all working just fine.
Oh,
Just
I
bitrate.
thought there was another thing. All right.
So let me run this. Give it a few. Put a breakpoint. There. D equals. Oh my god, I was converting to an int.
It's a float, isn't it? Oh. What? What?
Because the convert to int.
Oh, because it's still an object. You gotta convert it to a string and then to it. Right.
So I need to. This is not an int because of the decimal point.
Yeah.
So I need to convert it to a float and then convert that float to an int by just doing that.
Yeah.
Because I really don't care about the decimal. Well, maybe I should.
Point something bits a second. Really?
Yeah, let me float. Make that a float. Now, now it should be fine. I don't know why it does that part. There. That's hilarious. my GPU. It's just doing nothing. And task manager's frozen. Cool, cool. Good, so that's outputting correct information. And it gets a percentage, which I love. Now, there's a few other things I want to add. So let's think. I have the ability to change video, audio bitrate, and codec. I have the ability to change resolution as a whole, or just width and height, but maintaining aspect ratio. I have the ability to change the hardware acceleration method, technically. And let's do C, also
Oh, wait a minute. Why does this look like it's doing that? If I... Oh. It's not going to affect you because you're never going to have a left square bracket, but this is not supposed to be grabbing the left square bracket. I don't know why it is. Weird.
Okay. And changes the audio bit rate.
I think this is a bug. I think I found a regular expression bug.
Right. Yeah?
Yeah.
Change it.
So check this out. If I get rid of all this nonsense. This is saying grab at frame equals and anything unless it's not a space and any letter A through Z, capital or lowercase.
Okay.
But see how it's not going forward because there's a left bracket. It's actually grabbing this left bracket as a symbol instead of an FFMpeg argument. Okay. Sorry, FFMpeg? I've read your expression. That's not supposed to be. If I wanted a symbol, I would say backslash bracket. This is a bug.
Yeah, I have seemed to have fucked Discord.
Oh, yeah?
It's in full screen, but not full screen. I also can't move the window or do
you have console enabled? Control-Shift-I?
I do not.
Oh. Well.
It's also not something that restarting it or refreshing it fixes. Gonna have to quit Discord and reopen it. There we go. Yeah, so this window was full screened and it wouldn't let me actually move it around. Let me see if I can do it again. There it is.
You say this window, but I can't see what you're doing.
Oh, right. Screen share. This. Minimizers. So it's Control-Shift-F.
That maximizes it and then you can't move it?
Yeah, I also don't have access to my...
Control-Shift-F. Oh, it's a weird full screen. It gets rid of your... Wait, isn't it? It's not like... Oh, FLFN doesn't work.
Nope. Because I was in here and I did Control-Shift-F to format my code, and I accidentally did that. Hold on.
Interesting.
Discord, or Electron.
I didn't know Control-Shift-F was a thing.
Shift-F. Wondering if it's an Electron thing, or if it's a...
Oh, it's not in Chrome.
Well, Chrome's not an Electron.
Well, it's Chromium-based, so I assume...
Electron is Chromium-based.
Yeah.
Chrome is not Electron-based. So...
Yeah, I know. That's why I was texting in Chrome to see if it was a Chrome thing.
Oh. Chromium doesn't actually have shortcuts, BT dubs.
Really?
It's something that's added by the web browser. It's the web browser part of it. Chromium is just the renderer, the rendering engine.
Oh, okay.
And a few other little, like, bells and whistles, but ultimately it's the rendering engine. I don't even think, like, the V8 engine's included with it. I think that's, like, an extra thing. My neighbors are riding their four-wheelers around. Alright, so... setting pixel format, that'd be a nice thing to be able to do. Public mux converter change pixel format string format. Turn this. Post
Okay. It's not a bug. I misunderstood how regular expression is doing this.
PIX FMT format. Whoops. Yeah, that's how you do pixel formats, right?
Yeah, looks like it.
Yeah.
What is this? So, McDonald's gave these like little hand sanitizing wipes, right?
Mm-hmm.
My God, they are strong.
Can you think of anything else? I'm sure there's a whole host of other things, but I just can't think of them.
For settings that somebody might want to change?
Yeah, on a video. So I have, the hardware acceleration option, the pixel format, overwrite original, the height, width, resolution as a whole, video and audio bitrate, video and audio codec.
Now there's a lot more options inside FFmpeg.
Dear God, I know, but I can't think of...
I don't use them.
These are like the big ones I use. FFmpeg documentation. And I'm even wondering if I should include like a thing for every single one of them, because I'm also including just a way to input your own like arguments manually. Oh, right there, filter. Oh, one thing I could do is allow it to be exported as images.
You can already. What do you mean?
I mean, add that as a function.
All you have to do is change the extension to PNG or JPEG or... FFmpeg automatically knows and does it.
Does it? I thought you had to do something a little more special than that.
You have to... Well, for like a video, you want to grab a specific frame. Or you can do some symbol, and then it says grab every frame and just export all of them.
I know you can do %D, but I didn't know... I thought you had to do something else in there. FFmpeg-I. Literally anything. And then test %D.jpg, for example. Oh, right, I need to actually create the folder.
Yeah, now it's exporting everything as a bunch of pictures.
Okay, I don't need... For some reason I thought I had to do, like... or something. Okay.
If you want one frame, you're going to have to do a start and end position.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Yeah.
I should add the ability to... Fair enough. Public mux converter change start position int seconds, and let's actually make that a float because I believe it can be. Nope. Let's make that a string because I believe you can put like 15m for minutes. So we'll start at the 15-minute mark. And this is the pre-builder dot append ss position. Turn this. And do the same thing for change end position, which will be t. So 15s. Cool. That should just output at the first 15 seconds. Let me delete that and actually.
You know that regular expression thing I gave you?
Mm-hmm.
Look what I just shrunk it down to. This.
Nice. Okay, so now if I do dash
So,
ss,
here. Take this new regular expression. I've also made it, instead of spaces, I'm using \s because, you know, I want it to look good.
E. Hold on. I thought you could do... M for the SS. Like MS.
Like milliseconds?
No, like minutes and... Okay.
Oh, there's capital.
Is
Lowercase and capital.
Okay, because I know I did, like, S here.
Yeah.
Nope, doesn't work for that. Let me do...
There might
S
be
works.
doubles, like... There might be doubles like MM or something. I don't know. You'll have to find their formatting. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, maybe they just don't support minutes. That'd be weird.
Oh, I'm sure they maybe do.
FFMpeg -ss minutes.
Put that in quotes because
Thank you.
-ss is going to remove it. Yeah.
I always forget that. Seeking. Oh yeah, I forget. You can just do like this format.
Oh, you could just do numbers. Oh, well, there you go. Yeah, do it that way. That's a lot better.
Okay. I'm curious if I do... So it should be hours, minutes, seconds. So if I do 15 minutes...
You can do point something.
Can I do M here? Okay, that doesn't work. Interesting. But I can do...
Yeah, 15 seconds, yeah.
There, now the video length should be 15 seconds long. It's 18 seconds long. Yeah. But I think that's just FFmpeg being weird. Okay, cool. I set it up as a string anyway.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you want me to put something in?
Yeah, that new regular expression I gave you. Yeah, replace that big nasty fucking dog shit one with that one.
Does the exact same thing?
Yep.
Okay. I love that Visual Studio added this in their last update.
Wait, correction?
Mm-hmm.
It actually grabs this. Let me subtract that. That's my bad.
What does it grab?
It grabs the word equals and then this.
That's what I want, yep.
I thought you only wanted this.
Nope, because I need what it actually is.
Oh, okay. Oh, perfect then.
See, here, I'm doing...
Oh, yeah, the case, yep. Yeah, it should do the exact same thing.
Good. Alright, cool. So I think that's all I'm going to put for those options. If you want to add your, like, if you want to add custom options, then... Okay, what I can do is public mux converter, add custom post input option.
What happens if I do this?
And then post input builder dot append option.
Still feel like that's a bug. Huh.
And do the same thing for pre-input option. There. Oh, and video format.
Did you want me to use the regular expression to get rid of the kilobytes per second and the X from speed?
No,
because I can do that too.
It's fine. I'm already doing that.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Adds a option or a argument after the input string or the input option. Sure. Add an argument before the input option. It's a video format option. Builds the FFMpeg argument and starts the conversion process. Builds and returns the FFmpeg argument. There.
There we go. Simple enough. And how it removes it. I do like regular expression. It is helpful. It's just learning it's a bitch.
And let's change the end position to be 20. So this will be a 10-minute video. With the width being 800 pixels. And okay, let's run this. This is going to be an absurd video. It's 800 by, I think, 350 with the video bitrate at 4 megabits. And you know what I just realized? This is going to be wrong.
Why is that?
Because I'm only doing 10 minutes of the video. This percentage is going to be talking about the full video.
It is doing... So if you have... You're going to have to calculate the input for start to end as well. And then get the percentage based off of that.
So get the duration of the video, and that would be more of a guesstimate because, well, it would be only like, 5 or 6 frames off. Okay, I could deal with that.
Yeah, because you get the total frame count divided by total time, and then you take the section of time that they want to grab, and then that's a pretty good estimated frame count.
Yeah, so this one's like a 51-minute video. Okay, and I'm getting 10 minutes of it. Okay. I'm genuinely shocked that this isn't done yet. It's a massive...
How long did you...
Just 10 minutes of the video.
10 minutes at a bitrate of 4,000 for some reason?
Yeah. I just decided to do, and the quality is trash.
That's okay. Oh. Wait, why? Wait a minute.
I just was having fun.
Okay.
That also might be why my GPU is doing absolutely nothing.
It's doing a wee bit of decode.
Yeah, but how much of that is Discord?
It's really having a grand old time, isn't it?
It's running pretty fast. Oh, it's done. I'm just now realizing that. Technically.
What's it doing?
I've noticed it, so when it's actually done processing, yep, there it goes. It will have a few seconds of stitching.
Oh, sure.
Now, over here, it's going to be an outrageously large video for its whatever quality.
Cordilla is a type 3 pneumonic virus.
That's the whole thing, that's 42 minutes. Or 40? This is 40.
Okay, why is that? It still starts at 10 minutes. But the end should have been here.
Did you make a mistake? Start and end.
I did.
At 20. Ah.
So in that case, I'm gonna not do something ridiculous. Also, what's the quality of that? That did not look...
It didn't look too bad.
Cordilla is a type 3 pneumonic
It didn't look like 480p now, did it?
Yeah. What?
It is. That's it.
Seems pretty good for what? That's no. I can't. Hold on, I'm moving it to my 1080p monitor. Get a better look at it.
No, you're not mistaken here. This looks better than.
What the fuck?
This doesn't
No,
look 480p.
it can't be that. No.
Wait,
FF probe that bitch. Is it lying to us?
480p at this insane quality? Maybe. I don't know how this works.
Is that how it works? That's not how it works, though.
I don't know. I don't know.
Does it? Man,
Because everything
I don't know.
Everything is saying that value's correct. Hold on. Let me FF probe that. Stop it.
you're clicking some more stuff. Yep. You're really having a hard time.
I know. I hate these. Go away.
Why don't you remove them?
I don't know how to.
Oh, it's under view, I think. And then, yeah, that, right? Somewhere. Where is it? Hold on. I'll go to mine and then figure it out.
Oh, no, I know why. This is in the downloads folder. Stop it. So, it's...
Is it a property of the downloads folder specifically?
Nope, I don't know. I don't really care anymore. FF
They're groups.
probe.
Group by date modified. Here we go. Fuck off. None. Yeah, there we go. I found it.
Why am I not seeing the width and height here? Am I blind?
Stream 1920 by 1080. That's what it says up above. Stream 0 video H.264 high 1920 by 1080 SAR11. That's it. It's right there. You're highlighting it.
Oh my god, right there. Yeah, I did not.
Okay.
So it's
It did not change the quality.
it's supposed to say width and height also. But it,
Yeah, I don't know why it's not.
hold on, did I actually grab the right file? Yeah, it's a test. Nope, that's not the right file. Sorry.
You were doing test. Yeah. There's no goddamn way. Hold on. Remove the extra quality.
Yeah.
I gotta know now. Yeah. Let's do it.
And this is outputting to test. Yeah. Okay.
And this should make a 10 minute thing.
Maybe I shouldn't have gone 10 minutes.
Well, I mean, you can stop it anywhere, but you know. Like, it's already written to a file right now.
Oh my god, I'm also remembering how this works. The end position is offset by the start position.
Oh my god, right, it's an offset.
Kind of
Oh, you're right.
so this will be 15. There we go.
Yep. Okay.
Cordillevirus is a type 3 pneumonic virus.
Okay, see how...
Remember last month at the conference?
That's still...
I still don't...
It still looks... Maybe because it's an old movie or an old show that was, like, upscaled, so it still looks better than 480p.
Way better. Hold on, I need to go to YouTube and look at 480p videos. Hold on.
Change height. Let's do 360.
Hold on.
Yeah, that percentage is super wrong.
Cordillovirus, it's a type of
You know what?
virus.
Okay, that is...
480 is not fucking bad, actually.
See why I keep saying I don't mind watching a show at 480? Because I honestly didn't notice. Okay, let's get rid of you. Let's get rid of you. No, stop that. I don't care.
What happened?
It's giving me suggestions that I just don't care about.
Oh, right now.
Remove you, remove you. I just want to have like a basic bitch one. And I want to see if the percentage is going to be correct. Or at least relatively speaking. So this is going to take a hot... Well, that was a lot faster than I was expecting.
Thanks,
Why?
dude. Failed
That-
instantly.
No, that's a bug with Visual Studio, I'm fairly certain. Or it's not. Wait, what's
Is it,
happening? Wait, what's...
I don't know. Put stuff back. What did you change? Hey, did you need anything in there? Like, are you specifying these options somewhere else and you have to use them? Or
No, none of them should be mandatory.
just comment them out instead of removing. Just to... And they can go through and see what freaks out. Okay. Height and width. Why?
Oh my god, I know why. Because height and width goes into... Where am I? Yeah, I'm in Muxt. Height and width goes into this, the VF. But if I put nothing in there, it's just empty quotes.
Right, yeah.
So I need to say...
If this and this both exist, then do, yeah.
I need to say... Where do you end? You're right there. String dot is null empty or white space. Video format.
Do you like that new thing? And it's freaking out because the double quotes, probably.
There we go.
Wait, what? Should be those double quotes right there, right?
No. Hold on, I need to take this out of its environment.
I'll just delete that. Where's that parenthesis ever needed? Yeah. Still pissed off?
There we go.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't like that sometimes. I thought I had to put it around this, but apparently not. So there we go. Yeah, so now if this is nothingness, it'll just return nothingness. Otherwise, it'll return VF and then whatever it is.
So try it with and without. Just just in case.
With. That works.
Fantastic.
Without. Cool. Now I want to see if this percentage is going to actually be correct.
3%. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm surprised you didn't do it with a different. That's fine.
A different
That's
file.
alright.
Actually, why don't I? Hold on. Let's create a file. Let's stop it. Now it's getting annoying. Let's create a 5-minute file. No, I want you to cut the shit. It really wants me to put it all on one line, and it's really annoying the piss out of me.
Really does. It's like, you know what? Do this. No, I don't want to.
Okay, let's run this. It's going to be a 5-minute video, so it shouldn't take too long to run.
I like how you're still starting 10 minutes in. Oh well.
Yeah, why not?
So change end position should probably be renamed to end offset?
Agreed. Or change video duration.
Yeah, start position and then final.
Cordylovirus is a type of...
And this is 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Fine. I don't know why it does that, but it does. It also starts
That's
at
okay.
4 seconds.
I think that may also be VLC freaking the fuck out of me.
That could be too. I think maybe the metadata is fucked. Doesn't understand.
Yeah.
Okay, now if I do this.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the file I'm taking in? It is, okay. Just want to double check. Output here, test.
And remove the start. Yeah.
Now, the percentage here should be correct.
I don't think it's correct. Immediately, I don't think it is. At almost 10 times speed and it's only at 4%, something's wrong.
Why is that wrong?
I might be wrong. And it's just very... No, I don't think I'm wrong.
You're right. Yeah, something's not right. 10%, just about.
10%. Oh.
Are
Are you timesing by 10 and not 100? No, you did times 100.
I'm doing frame processed divided by the max number of frames times 100.
Smaller divided by larger times 100. Yeah, that's all correct.
at this number. Let me quickly do...
First of all, it's larger divided by smaller.
You're right.
I mean, sorry, smaller divided by larger.
Mm-hmm.
Stroke. Or it doesn't want to do floats with the...
There we go.
There it is. And then times 100.
The math is right.
Oh! What?
Why is the
What do
frame?
you
Why
want?
is the frame count wrong?
Hold on, the math wasn't right. You still got 9 point something.
Yeah, but it's still the math for the percentage is right because I just grabbed what FFprobe thinks the number of frames are in that.
Yeah, go to the
video.
calculator.
Yeah.
That's not 96%.
No,
That's
I know.
9.6%.
I'm well aware. That's also what we got as a result. Exactly.
Yeah, we're doing something wrong.
Oh, I'm aware, but or is FFprobe doing something wrong? 'Cause my math is all right. The only thing is the information it's getting from FFprobe says the number of frames are astronomically high compared to what they actually are. Because if I run
30. What was it? 7,400 and something?
for which one? the max frames?
74,391, and only 7,000.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, 1,000. By the way, 74, 1. Yeah. Yeah. Can you run it with normal FFmpeg? I want to see if we're missing some information.
Hold on, I'm looking at FFprobe right now.
Oh, sure.
The output of it. And number of frames. Yeah, see?
Okay. That's a tag? Is that actually what it is? Or is that just
I think
metadata?
That's metadata.
Yeah. Scroll up. Is there a
I couldn't find one.
different frame rate now?
That's why I went with the tag thing. Because that's the only one I could find that actually...
Oh, but that's metadata. That's wrong.
Hmm. And then there are these, but that's just for the metadata for the audio. And then
Codec name ass. Nice. It's just advanced SSA. That's fantastic.
Children, god damn it.
Extract frame count. Yeah. Frame count. Oh, for fuck's sakes. It's a fucking thing. Just count frames right there.
It is, but I was hoping to do this all in one thing. Hold on, let me do.
Yeah, just add dash count frames. Oh wait, you have it already. Oh, you pasted. Never mind. You confused me. Is it actually trying to read through?
Mm-hmm.
I think some stuff in here is unnecessary, like print format, CSV, and stream NB read frames. I don't think you need any of that. I think just count frames is what you need. Or show.
Feel like these are necessary. But yes, what I think it's actually doing is it's extracting it as images and then counting the number of images.
Whatever this returns, could you try to do your original one and just add count frames?
Mm-hmm. Oh, there it goes.
What? Whoa, God.
That is accurate.
Yeah.
Looks like it's working.
Oh my God.
It does take a long time.
That's rough. If you have to do that every time to get an accurate frame count,
I would make it an option.
that's rough. Oh look, they have a select stream. Did you see that? You can just do select stream 0, that way you can get the video stream.
Yeah.
And not the audio. Oh.
Yeah, I want to get audio and video and subtitles in this.
And then it would probably be way up in streams. And then somewhere in streams, you just find, yeah, there's too much.
I can't remember what it was called.
It was renamed with the command, so it's not named that. It's not named the same thing.
Should be.
No, they named it. See how it's stream equals NB read frames?
Yeah, that's just what
renamed it.
That's not a rename. That's just what it's getting. See, show entries under stream, show the entry, NB read frames.
Okay.
There it is.
And it's accurate.
Mm-hmm. That's rough. I'm gonna add it as an option.
Is it really that difficult to count frames?
Oh, you know what they're doing? I'm fairly certain. They're exporting it as images.
No, it can't be. That'd be insane.
That's the only thing I can think of, yeah. Exporting it as images and then counting. Let me try something. So if I do...
Oh, can you get the frame rate?
And then
and the duration.
And the duration.
Then
yes,
you can just do that.
But...
that, again, would still be fairly accurate.
It would be.
And make sure they're just not tags, like the duration. Or the frame rate.
Hold on a second. Let me test something. FFmpeg -I And then
scale up images.
I'm scaling the images down to 20 pixels. So it's very fast.
Oh, sure.
And then I'm going to see if I can count them that way. Just see if this is actually going to be faster or not. Probably not, but, you know.
No, it's only 17 times speed.
I didn't time the first one. But I feel like that
Well,
was a lot faster.
That's probably, yeah. It's probably what they're doing. Oh my god.
Mm-hmm. Let me
That's age.
Let me do this. I'm curious how fast
A
this is.
single pixel.
It's literally all I need. 31 times speed. I mean, that's atrocious. That was a lot
that's
faster.
still a bit slow.
That was a lot faster than what they were doing, but if I do...
You could just instantly do a little bit of math to get the number.
Yeah, I could take the frame rate and the duration. Okay. So I have the exact number. It's 7,193. I have the I have the duration somewhere around here. There it is.
7,193. And I'm sure there's duration.
For one, let me just get exactly. There is, I just can't remember. There we go.
3 point blah 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 blah. No.
Oh my god, it's the duration under metadata.
No.
And there's this one. And this one, but those aren't the ones I'm looking for. Hold on. Where am I actually getting this from? Not Mox, Media Info. Duration. I'm getting it from the format.
Oh, good.
There it is. So I take this number, and then I divide it by the duration, right? Yeah, or the duration divided by that.
One of the ways.
That's not right.
It looks like the other way. Frame rate divided by time.
That's still not right.
Wait a minute, what are we doing? The duration
That's
is in
somewhat
seconds.
Right. It's multiplication.
Yeah, that's right. Right?
It's multiplication.
Yeah, that's
just retarded.
That's our relative number.
Mm-hmm.
That's not bad. Instead of 7193, it's outputting 7949. I mean 7349. Not bad. And yeah, it would come out to 97.8 and then say it's done.
On average, yeah.
Or slightly over. Oh shit. Right. No.
No, it'd come
No,
out to,
it'd be
come out
lower,
to 97. Yeah. No, it wouldn't. It'd come out to 103. 100, yeah.
No, because it would think it's trying to grab more frames, but it's actually grabbing less,
Oh,
so its
right,
outcome
right.
is 97.8.
Right.
So it could be off by above or below by a few percentages.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna add an option for quick math or exact
Yeah.
calculation. median firm right here.
Would you like exact and to be a little bit slower, or relative math and it's instant?
Bool, use quick math.
Use quick math. I like it.
Just true by default.
Yeah.
And if the percentage...
Oh, this is the documentation stuff. Yeah.
calculated by the duration multiplied by frame rate, or by getting the
Exact frame
X
count from FFMpeg. Nice.
Actually what I should be able to do is just...
It's unfortunate that the metadata is constantly fucking wrong.
If use quick math is true, do nothing. Otherwise...
You're gonna have to wait for an FF probe to grab specifically that frame count argument.
There we go. I don't know why I put that into its own variable. It doesn't need to be.
Hold on. Go back to the command you got from the website, because that only showed frame count, and that's it. Is yours going to show just frame count,
No.
or is it going to show a whole shitload more?
It's going to show frame count and everything else I need. That's why I'm doing it that way.
Oh, you're adding it as an option to FF. Oh, okay. Never mind. Nice, nice.
And then down where I'm doing video. After I get the frame rate here, I will say if use quick math is false.
Dude, would you like a
And-
96 core processor?
I would actually. Actually, currently, I really need a new GPU. My processor's pretty ballin', but my GPU is pretty not.
It's pretty nice.
And we'll do frames equals convert dot to u in 32 else we're gonna take the frame rate and multiply it by the what I call it. Did I just call it duration? I don't think so. I did. Duration dot Oh, right. I had duration ink. Okay.
Oh, duration. Yeah, from the tag. Yeah, no.
Actually, I wanted to do math.floor. Why is that still giving me... Okay. You know what? Fuck it. Int. Or UN. And then... There. I just wanted to cut the decimal point off because it's unneeded.
Yeah.
Cool. So now what I can do is I can add the option here to make it exact, which will take a hot second. Actually, I'm curious. I'm going to do two. So I'm going to do using timer equals stem dot timers dot time. What am I doing? Why do I need a timer? Sorry, I'm retarded. Long start equals date time dot now. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Holy crap! Okay.
Get rid of this, and I'm going to do this.
Alright.
Now,
AOAO, my captain.
yeah, what's up, homie?
I'm gonna hop out.
Okay.
Good luck.
Yeah. Oh, quickly look through the chat.
To the
Stream. New
Oh,
a dating online. New a dating online. New a dating online.
new A dating online.
Yeah, it's perfect English.
Remove. Remove. And remove.
Nice.
Sorry, I like this. 69xxx.life. Nice. Alright,
Enjoy.
goodbye.
Okay, now for some reason this isn't actually console logging. Taking in test 1, outputting test. Oh right, I'm doing slow math first. Forgot about that. we wait. And actually, while we're waiting on this, I am going to... Oh, nice. I'm gonna mute myself and take a leak. All right, I'm back. So, looks like slow math took 63 seconds, and we're still waiting on the result of quick math. It does look like, however, slow math percentage was exactly 100%, which makes sense. And that was, about, it's just about twice as fast. So it depends on how much you care. All right, but that's gonna do it. That's gonna be it for me today. Yeah, I'm done working on this for now. I'm probably gonna get to work. All right, peace out.